Good morning, class ninth. Welcome back after periodic assessment first. Now, today we are going to start our term one portion, that is half yearly, chapter 2 of history. That is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. I think the legacy of French Revolution gave a new direction to socio-economic and political ideas of France and the world as well. In post-revolution period, many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, witnessed discussion on new ideas about individual rights and system of governance. These circumstances prepared background for the emergence of new ideas of socialism in Europe and the Russia, which will be discussed in this chapter. The Russian Revolution popularized the ideas of socialism to shape society in the 20th century. After that, the topic will be the age of social change. The social and the political changes that took place all over Europe can be traced to the French Revolution, but not everyone in Europe wanted to complete transformation, wanted to complete transformation of society. Some were conservatives, others were liberals and radicals. You know well about conservatives, liberals, and radicals in previous chapters. The French revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity became inspiring ideals that motivated political movement political movements in the world in 19th and 20th centuries. Now, liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Liberals Liberals looked to change society. Liberals looked to change society and they wanted tolerance towards all religions in 19th and 20th century. The Europe was dominated by Christianity. Liberals opposed absolute power. Liberals opposed absolute power enjoyed by most of the monarchs in Europe. They favored for safeguard of individuals' rights and advocated democratic setup of government. They favored a well trained autonomous judiciary. They cannot be called Democrats as they did not favor universal adult franchise, that is right to vote. That is right to vote. They favored voting rights only for men, not for women. Not for women. After that, radicals supported women's rights and organized the various suffragette, suffragette movement. Various movements. Radicals wanted a nation in which the government was based on the majority of a country's population. They were not against the existence of private property but disliked the concentration of it in the hands of few people. After that, conservatives. Conservatives opposed the views of radicals and liberals. After the French Revolution, conservatives felt the need for change by the 19th century. By the 19th century, conservatives accepted that some changes was necessary, but believed that the past had to be respected. Thank you for today. You have to read the chapter and whatever the topics explained in this video. If you have any doubt related to this video, then ask me. I will try to clear your doubts